The new F-15. Aerodynamic improvements include sleek, new canted tails, coupled with a digital fly-by-wire flight control system. These improvements reduce airframe weight and drag, giving this new F-15 more range. Radar signature reduction methods are applied for a unique frontal stealth capability, making it difficult for the enemy to detect this new F-15. Equipped with next-generation avionics and sensors such as the Digital Electronic Warfare System and AESA radar, this new F-15 can quickly detect, identify, and respond to any threat. The new internal carriage minimizes radar signature by carrying weapons internally, giving this fighter the combat advantage. Within 2 or 3 hours, a new conformal fuel tank configuration can be changed for the next mission, increasing the pilot's tactical options in combat. The new F-15 Silent Eagle, ensuring mission effectiveness and survivability in any threat environment.